the ultimate packing list for travel to the South Pacific Islands. Dreaming of an escape to the tropical paradise of the South Pacific Islands? Before you can answer the call of the warm turquoise waters and pristine beaches, you need the ultimate packing list. 1. Travel documents and cash. Don't forget your essential travel documents like your passport, visas, and personal identification. Keep printed copies of your flight and accommodation confirmations. Always have a digital backup of these documents. The South Pacific Islands have a predominantly cash-based economy, so carry enough local currency and an international credit card for emergencies. 2. Clothing essentials. Given the tropical climate, pack lightweight, breathable, and quick-drying fabrics. Cotton t-shirts, shorts, sundresses, and skirts are ideal. Don't forget a light sweater for cooler evenings, a waterproof jacket for unexpected showers, and at least 2 swimsuits. A wide-brimmed hat and UV protection sunglasses are also essential. 3. Footwear. Pack lightweight, waterproof sandals for the beach, water shoes for rocky shorelines or coral reefs, and sturdy walking shoes for hiking. If space allows, a pair of casual shoes for evenings out can be a good addition. 4. Toiletries and health supplies. Travel-sized toiletries like toothpaste, toothbrush, razor, deodorant, and biodegradable soap and shampoo are recommended. Don't forget high SPF sunscreen, lip balm with SPF, after-sun aloe vera gel, and a good insect repellent. A basic first aid kit is also essential. 5. Snorkeling and beach gear. The South Pacific Islands are a snorkeler's paradise. Consider bringing your own snorkel set for hygiene and comfort. A beach bag, a lightweight quick-dry beach towel, and an underwater camera can be useful additions. 6. Technology. Pack your smartphone and charger, along with an international adapter. A digital camera or a GoPro can capture high-quality photos and videos. A waterproof bag or case for your devices and a power bank can also be very useful. 7. Food and drink essentials. Pack some non-perishable snacks like protein bars, nuts, and dried fruit. A reusable water bottle is crucial for hydration and reducing plastic waste. Depending on your destination, a portable water purifier might be useful. 8. Entertainment. Books, a Kindle, playing cards, travel-sized board games, or a portable game console can provide relaxation during downtime. 9. Essential accessories. Pack an umbrella or a lightweight raincoat for sudden showers. Sealable plastic bags can protect your phone and other valuables at the beach. A dry bag can be a useful investment for water activities. 10. Sustainable travel items. Consider packing a reusable shopping bag, reusable straws and cutlery, and reef-safe sunscreen. These items can help you reduce plastic waste and protect the marine environment during your trip. With this comprehensive packing list, you're set for a comfortable, hassle-free journey to the South Pacific Islands. So embark on your journey, discover the South Pacific's magic, and let its allure captivate your heart. Safe travels.